New footage shows the terrifying moment a temple in Myanmar began to shake during a deadly earthquake. Worshippers had been praying in front of a massive golden Buddha when tremors suddenly struck. CCTV captured the statue trembling as people rushed to escape. Within minutes, the entire structure collapsed into dust, but miraculously, everyone made it out alive. The 7.7 magnitude quake struck on March 28th, devastating parts of Myanmar and neighboring Thailand. More than 5,000 are believed to have died, and rescue efforts are still ongoing.